Do you know the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures? Understanding this can make science easier and more fun. Let's dive into the world of mixtures and their characteristics. Mixtures are combinations of two or more substances. These can be physical mixtures where each substance retains its properties. Mixtures can be classified mainly into two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are uniform throughout. This means you can't distinguish different components. Examples include salt water and air. Everything looks the same, right? On the other hand, heterogeneous mixtures are not uniform. You can see and easily identify different components. Think about a salad or a bowl of mixed nuts. Each ingredient is distinct and noticeable. Now, let's explore homogeneous mixtures first. When you dissolve salt into water, the solution becomes clear. The salt is evenly distributed and can't be seen separately. This uniformity defines a homogeneous mixture. Next, let's break down heterogeneous mixtures. When you mix sand with gravel, you see both components. Each element maintains its own identity. You can separate them easily. Remember, homogeneous mixtures can include solutions, colloids, and suspensions. Solutions are clear like sugar water. Colloids have a cloudy appearance, like milk. Suspensions have larger particles, like muddy water. Let's look at a scenario. Imagine making lemonade. When you mix water, sugar, and lemon juice, you create a homogeneous mixture. But if you add ice cubes, it becomes heterogeneous. The ice doesn't dissolve and stays separate. In summary, understanding mixtures aids in grasping various scientific concepts. Homogeneous mixtures are uniform and indistinguishable. Heterogeneous mixtures are varied and easily separable. Now that you know the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures, explore your surroundings. Look for examples of each type. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content like this. Explore the world of science today.